Alright, let's get this. He's not where I thought he was gonna be. Oh. Hazard hates me, Hazard hates me, Hazard hates me, Hazard hates me. Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You survived.
I just have to remember that both of them are over there. Oh, no block. Probably not worth it. I'm not even going to level 2. Oh, I can finally hear the cards. That's so cool. I died to Vexus twice. I don't really want to do that again. Let me get behind that wall.
I have so much newfound appreciation to how Tenga was able to do this without clipping into a wall and revealing all the Easter egg locations.
He's a skilled little man. Damn, it's further. Oh, I got distracted by the cool noise. Alright, I think the other one is in here. So I just need to not die. Oh, yes he is. I've noticed that as soon as I start thinking, I immediately stop talking.
Just like Cleo.
There are worse things than being like Cleo.
Yeah, exactly. You'll just have to put, like, notes on the screen or something. Like they do.
Wait, am I done? Is it over? No, but it's like close.
I mean, I did notice in your POV that, like, you're definitely better than near juking Ravagers, but you're worse at compass skills.
This is
my judgment.
But I am better than Initial Scar.
This is also true. Initial Scar was not very good at compass skills, and he still got 3rd.
Oh my god, there's another one.
Ooh, do you have that one? That one's such a fun location.
I got Zumas. Oh, okay. Oh, there's so much treasure I'm missing. Hypothetically possible.
You can do it.
Never mind. Let me out. I'm freaking leaving. I don't care about the treasure. Okay, and then both of those guys are up towards the front. One should be near the... right. One should be near the dripstone, and the other one should be in a fine location. Oh, but if I wait for 2 more coins, I can get a crown. But I should just go and get another card. But Iskall would want me to wait for another coin. I'll leave.
Ether also likes being greedy in these situations.
He does, he does. Oh boy. Oh hey. Oh, but I don't think I have any more. No, I don't have any more treasures, so it'd be naturally dropping treasures. And that was a stumble, so I probably should just leave. Right, it's closed. This is a bad idea. Okay. They're both right here. Okay. Oh, you got stuck. If this hazard closes right behind me, I'm gonna rage like to a level no one's seen before. Okay. And I should be able to go this way. Easy.
Okay, I will stop watching you now because purchase decisions are private by default.
Thank you. And I hang out
Because
with...
number of tomes and stuff is secret.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep the recording on though so that I can see what cards I get later on.
This makes sense.
I was really worried at that end there, where like both of the Ravagers were in that one spot. I thought it was
there were
so
two
over.
of them.
I thought it was so
Two of
over.
them Tuesday.
2 of them Tuesday, Saturday. I should get this.
Oh, it is actually Saturday.
What card should I get? Ooh.
Yay!
Yeah! Woo!
But I still think that of the two of us, Emma probably most counts as the tango. If someone has to be, if one person has to be.
That hazard's closed again? Hello? Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, Emma's here.
Hey!
I need berries. I guess it would be better to just go. Assuming you didn't wander in that amount of time.
I've totally lost you. Where are you?
I'm circle room, near circle room.
Oh! Alright.
And not at all paying attention to where the compass was, darn it. Hello. Ooh. I think it's in the same place again.
Oh, hi Emma. Ollie says that your tallest penis in the lobby doesn't count because it's iron and not snow.
See. Something getting hard.
Damn it!
Something.
Oh no!
Oh no!
I've already dissociated.
Anyway, we've decided that when you use free cam, that's your computer associating. It just makes sense, I think.
Alright, I believe in the me that believes in me.
Alright, did you hear what I realized I can do? No, Oh, that's cool. What? Wait, that doesn't seem like a thing that should happen. Association is at 4. Yeah. But yeah, the default keybind.
Also, I've noticed there's a Z in the tunnel
Good for him.
where he was hiding. There is a little stand guy.
Oh, that's cute. That's fun. But yeah, it's hard not to see secrets when you're free camming. Like, it's hard not to go into a wall sometimes. Oh, yeah, that's because the group is open.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Okay, I'll go this way.
The answer to the question in chat is that that's because the group is open. I made it open.
Apparently this is because the group is open. Oh, wait, I should be able to hear you.
Maybe I didn't make it open correctly then? No, that can't be right.
But regardless, there is a group which is off to. Hello.
What's the keybind for dissociation?
F4 is the default one.
Why are you both in there?
I have a standalone free cam, which is just whatever comes up type free cam to BuzzForge, but I don't know what comes default.
Yeah, you just have to actually install the client-side mod. It's client-side. You have to get it yourself if you want it.
I think it's upstairs. Oh, shoot. I still have a coin block. But they should have moved. Yes. Oh no. Oh no.
It's so cool that you can hear the cards and it's so real.
Yeah, I really like it.
We are in the real abandoned mall that is Hermitcraft.
Alright, hazard's starting to come up. That's closed. I think the other guy's in the big room. Is there one behind us? No. Okay. Oh, did I get the tomb one? I really like that one.
Pizza oven.
Yeah. Now about
Oh, was this
getting
medium?
out. Yeah.
Right, yeah, I think that compass location is medium only.
Okay, so one of them's by the door. Hey, besties. Y'all want to hang out with me so bad. If I don't make this jump, I'm gonna stab myself.
And those were some good Jedi mind tricks.
Nice.
That was genuinely cool.
Thank you, I'm a gamer. Oh my god.
Hooray!
Okay, I am reassociating. Undissociating. Your purchase decisions are your own.
All my blood is in my head.
That's better than having it outside your head, I think.
Yeah, probably. I got my first crown though.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm pretty pleased about it. This is so fun. I'm so glad that we have this server.
I agree.
It's
Oh,
really fun.
should I do what I want to do or what Etho would do?
Always what Etho would do.
You're right. Munching some berries, I'm gonna get to the end room this time, surely. Oh no. Yay!